Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Aisha Yasser. I am the 2 class teacher and today I am going to teach you drawing subject. But before starting the work, I warmly welcome to all of you in next class, which is 2. Your last academic session has been finished now and now you all are promoted in class 2. I know that your last session was not so good and fabulous because due to coronavirus, but you have done excellent job because you have done the all the assignments on the time. You submitted your revision worksheets. Online system is a new system for us, but you have done very good job. And according to the government instructions, we cannot allow to do the physical classes. So nowadays we are also facing the problem of coronavirus again. The third wave of coronavirus is very dangerous and we can only spread the stop the spread of coronavirus cases by following the SOPs strictly. And I want to discuss the SOPs with you. The first SOP, which is very much important and foremost is washing the hands. Wash your hands at least 20 seconds with a good antibacterial soap. Second, always wear the mask whenever you go outside. And third, you will maintain the distance between the two persons. And inshallah, with the help of Allah, we will come out from this pandemic situation and we will again start the regular classes when government allow us. Now come to the study. Today we will do the page number 11 of your art and craft book. And very too much important thing for you that you will not discard your previous books. You will not give to your books to anyone. Okay, you are in class 2, but you will do your work in the previous books. And I have art and craft book. Today you will do the page number 11 and it has a topic draw object from square. And the object is photo frame. Around us, in our surroundings, everything has a shape and there are 4 basic shapes: circle, triangle, square and rectangle. Circle has no corner, no sides. A square has 4 corners and 4 sides. A triangle has 3 corners and a rectangle has 4 corners and 4 sides. Let's start the work. Now we will do the page number 11 of art and craft book. The subject is drawing. As you know, I am reading the instructions for you. Draw object from square, photo frame. And the instructions are draw and color, paste a photo in it. This is a sample for you and here I will draw the photo frame with the help of the square. First, I need one scale and one pencil for you. And to drawing the square, it's very simple. Just make 2 standing lines and 2 sleeping lines and the square is completed. First, standing line, again standing line, now I have 2 standing lines, 1 and 1. Now I will join these 2 standing lines with the help of the sleeping line. Join exactly, draw it with the help of scale. And again, now I will join these 2 lines with the help of the sleeping lines. Join it properly with the help of scale. Now a big square is completed. Now we need another square inside this square. Again, just take some space. Again a standing line with the help of scale. Again a standing line. To draw a square, it is a very simple technique. Just draw 2 standing lines and then join them to sleeping lines. And the square is completed. Look how I am matching these 2 lines. Draw it properly Don't shake your hands. Again. Now complete this line also. Look, our photo frame square is completed. Now make a hook. It's just a half circle like this. Now it's a coloring time. I have a color box. I'm going to selecting my favorite color, which is the red one. You can select any your color which you like most. Look how I'm holding the pencil. It's very important how to hold the pencil, color pencil. Use a thumb and finger and pick it properly. Before start coloring, I want to tell you how to color well. Firstly, your color stroke should be very smoothly. Second, the color stroke should be one-sided. The direction of the color stroke should be one-sided, like in this way. Don't do like that. Okay. The third thing which is very important, don't color outside the area. Fill the white area properly. Now let's start. This is the, according to the sample, this is our sample. In this area, we need to color. Look at this. This is the area where we have to color. I am holding the pencil properly. I always prefer to color to make the border line with the help of color. Look at this. My strokes are very smoothly. I am filling the white area properly. Okay, and the strokes of the color should be one-sided. It means the direction of the color stroke should be one-sided. Don't color outside. Take your time, but do your colors very well. Always prefer to make the border. It is helpful for you to color properly. Fill the white area. You can select any color which you like, and after completing, you will paste your picture in it. Neatly color, smoothly color. Holding of pencil is very important. If you hold the pencil properly, the result of the coloring is very good. Now from here I am making the border line. Now I have bordered this border and this border. Now need to color between this area. Fill the white area properly in one direction. In this part, you will paste your picture. Complete the border first. And then fill the white area. Smoothly color. Drawing is just a fun with color, playing with the color. For the hook, I am selecting the brown color. Again, first I always prefer to make the border with the help of the color pencil. Look, my border is complete. Now I will fill this white area. Now this is our sample, a square With the help of square, we make frame, and here again there is a square, two square, one is a big square and other is a small square, and also draw the hook with the help of a semicircle, and in this area you will paste your picture. I hope you all are able to draw the photo frame with the help of the square. Do color very neatly. Your color stroke should be very smoothly, and the direction of the color stroke should be one sided, and don't color outside. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Stay home, safe home.